Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a 3D cube in React Native's new architecture for iOS. So here you can see this is the output and I am able to move our 3D cube as well. So let's see how to do this in React Native. So firstly you will have to go to this documentation and open this fabric native components.md because I will be copying a lot of code given that I am using React Native's new architecture. Then first what you have to do is create a folder called rt_and_my_view. You can change this folder name, but I think for now you just follow what I am doing because this folder name is important and subsequently all other files have to be named accordingly. So I have created a folder called rt_and_my_view. Inside that create a package.json file. Now this I have just copy pasted it from documentation. Only thing is this name has been changed according to our folder name, this as well as this. Then I have created this file. Again this name has been changed according to our folder name. Again content has been copied from the documentation, only this name has been changed. Then inside JS folder, again this file name depends on your folder name. So I have created this TypeScript file. Again I have copy pasted all this code from documentation. I have removed the props and here we are just creating one file. Again this should be your folder name, so this name has been changed. Then what you will have to do is you will have to open your terminal, cd to this particular iOS directory inside your terminal, and then run this particular command. So this will enable the new architecture for iOS. Once you do that, you cd back to your root of the React Native project, then run this particular command. So once you do that, you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project. Then run this particular command, but here you will have to replace rnapp with your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp over here. So over here as well as over here, replace it with your own project name, and this is our folder name. So once that is done, we will cd to the iOS directory which we have over here, and then run this command. So this will do code generation for iOS. Now before I show you the actual implementation, to use it you can import it something like this and just create a component like this. Now the documentation says that create an iOS folder over here, but we won't be doing that because we want to make use of Swift. That's why I will be writing the entire code inside the main iOS folder. So open the XC workspace of iOS inside Xcode. Once you have opened it, go to this header file which we have. So create an header file. Now again I'm following the documentation. So I have created one header file, and again this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. Then I create this rt_and_my_view manager. So this is an Objective-C file, but the extension has been changed to .mm, so it is Objective-C++. Again this has been copied from docs, the prop has been removed and this names has been changed as well as this. Then I create another Objective-C file called rt_and_my_view. Again this is I change the extension to .mm, Objective-C++. So here we import our header file. This has been copied from docs, only this names has been changed. Okay, then this, given that we are using Swift, this should be your own project name. As you can see, mine is rnapp -swift.h will be common for all. And in the documentation they have given this import, but we can't really use it. We will use this import because we are writing the code inside the main iOS folder. Then this has been copied from docs, only this names has been changed as well as this name has been changed. This is creating variable of our Swift file, which I will come back shortly. And again this has been copied from docs, this name has been changed. This has been copied from docs as well, and this name has been changed. Here we create our view. Here we initialize our Swift file and add our Swift file to our main view. This again has been copied from docs, only this names has been changed everywhere. Now just create a Swift file. Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes, and here we import scene kit. Then I have created our scene view as well. Here we are initializing it. Then here I am setting auto resizing, mask, background color, all these default properties. Just play around with it. And here I have added our scene view to our subview as a subview. Then here we are creating our SCN scene. I have created one camera node, added it inside our scene. Similarly, for creating a cube, we have to use cube geometry, and then I have added it to our scene. And similarly for ambient light as well, I have added it. Then I just do scene view.scene equal to scene, and here we have to override this as well because this is kind of like boilerplate code. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can display a 3D cube. Thank you for watching. Bye.